Hi friends, today I am talking about biodiversity and its conservation. So you can see many organisms. This variety of organisms on earth is called biodiversity. Many organisms are present on earth. So the biodiversity, the term was first coined by Walter G. Rosen in 1986. So what is biodiversity? It is amazing variety of life forms on earth and high variability in their life processes. It represents the totality, abundance and interrelatedness of genus, species and ecosystems of a region and their interaction with the environment. There are countless variety of organisms. They exhibit extreme diversity in their genetic makeup, form and appearance, structure and organization, modes of life and adaptation, habits and behavior, interactions and interrelations. Biodiversity is the immense heterogeneity or variability in form, size, structure, function, modes of life, behavior among biological species of an area, country, continent, or the whole biosphere. It is a product of organic evolution, and biodiversity began to suffer with the rise of mankind to prominence. So mankind modify and destruct natural habitat, annihilation of species occurs, unbridled pollution. This causes irreparable damages and irrecoverable losses of biodiversity. Then there are three types of biodiversity: diversity of species, diversity of ecosystem, diversity of genus. So you can see in the figure there are these three types of biodiversity: diversity of species, diversity of ecosystem and diversity of genus. Then what are the components of biodiversity? Components I have just before explained: genetic diversity, species diversity, community diversity and ecosystem diversity. These are the components of diversity. So genetic diversity, it is a variation of genes within the species exhibited by difference in alleles or entire genomes or by difference in chromosome structure. This is called genetic diversity. It is the variation of genes within the species. So each species may have several varieties and varieties may have its own genetic makeups. So today we see what is biodiversity and what is genetic diversity. In the next class we can learn about species diversity, ecosystem diversity, etc.